Hello my dear children, welcome to class 5 mathematics large numbers. Today we will study comparing Indian place value system and international place value system. Here we have a question, write the number, this is the number in both Indian and international place value chart. Also write the standard form of the given number in both systems. See here the number which has been given to us, it is not so comfortable to read as there is no comma in the given number. So, we studied place value system. To avoid this confusion, we studied two types of place value system. One, Indian place value system, which is followed in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Second one is international place value system, is followed by all over the world. The Indian place value system and international place value system are differ by the way we group the digits. Let's look into the Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart, we know that there are four periods. Ones, starting from the rightmost, ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Ones period, it consists of three places, ones, tens and hundred. So, it's a group of three places. Thousands place, lakhs place and crore place. Each of them consists of two places. In thousands, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 1 lakh, 10 lakh and crore, 1 crore, 10 crore. Right? Let's take a number, that number which has been given to us and extend the table. Now we will place the digits in the Indian place value chart. So which one is ones place? From the rightmost. So from the rightmost, this one is ones place. Let's write. This is ones place. Then tens. Then hundred. You know all this. Okay, how to write. So let me put the digits in the place value chart. So at ones place, I will write 1. Then tens place 0. Hundreds place 1. Then at 1000s place 2. Then 10,000 place 5. Lakhs place 5. 10 lakhs place 1. Then crores place 8. Then 10 crores place 9. Correct? We know that the periods are separated by comma. So at the end of one's period, I will put a comma. Then thousands period. To separate this, I will put a comma. And at lakhs also, I will put comma at the end of lakhs period. Right? Now I will write the standard form. Okay? In according to Indian place value system. So this is the number which has been given to me. Now I will put comma. Where to put comma? So first period, starting from the rightmost, this is one's period and one's period ends after 3 digits. Okay, because it's a group of 3 places. Ones, tens and 100. Okay. So only the first period that consists of 100 place. Rest of the periods they consist of 1,000, 10,000, no hundreds place. Okay. Lakhs also 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. Then it doesn't consist 100 lakhs. Okay. There is nothing called 100. So only one's period it consists of 3 places. Rest of the periods that consist of only 2 places. So first period, at the end of first period, I will put comma. Then I will leave 2 digits for thousands period, then comma. Then I will leave 2 digits for lakhs period, then I will put comma. Right? Only one tens. No 100 in thousands, lakhs and crores place. Okay? Now, international place value chart. So, in international place value chart, we studied till 3 periods, ones, thousands and millions. It's very easy. Here, every period consists of 3 places. Right? every period consists of 3 places. That means ones period it consists of ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period also consists of 3 places. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And millions period also consists of 3 places. Millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Now take the same number which has been given to us and put it in the international place value chart. Starting from the rightmost, this is ones, tens, 100. I hope all of you know how to write, right? So at ones place, 1 is there. So at ones place, I will put 1, then tens place 0, then hundreds place 1, then 1000s place 2, then 10,000s place 5, then 100,000s place 5, then 1 millions place 1, then 10 millions place 8, 100 millions place 9. Correct? Now I will write the standard form. We know that the periods, they are separated by comma. Then at the end of one's period, I will put a comma. At the end of thousands period, I will put comma. Okay, every period consists of 3 places, right? So, just from the right, leave 3 places, 3 digits. Then you put comma. Then next, leave 3 places, 3 digits. Then you put comma. So, in this way, we will do in international place value system, right? What do you think? The value of these two numbers that has changed? No, value will not change, but presenting the number that has changed. Okay? So, Indian place value system and international place value system, if a number that, whatever number that has been given to us, if we are representing the same number, presenting the same number in Indian and international also, the value that will never change. But the way you present that, okay, that only differ. Hope you understood this. Let's proceed. Comparing the two systems. See, Indian place value chart, we have how many periods? 4 periods. So the places are ones, tens, 100. Next period, 2 places. Next period, lakhs period, that's also 2 places. Then crore period also 2 places. We have written. Now, international place value chart, we know that every period consists of 3 places. Okay, ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then 1 million, 10 million and 100 millions. Correct? Now, let's take a 5-digit number. Okay. So, we will write it in Indian system as well as international system. So, let's take a 5-digit number, that is 10,000. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. So, it's a 5-digit number. Now, let me extend this. Extend the table and put the digits in the chart. So, in the table, I have written 10,000. See, now look at the Indian place value chart, Indian place, okay, and the place of international place value chart. This is 10,000 and this is also 10,000. That means till 5 digits, the places in Indian place value chart as well as international place value chart are same. They both are 10,000, right? So, in Indian place value chart, how to read the number? 10,000, that is equals to, in international place value system, how will you read the number? 1 is at 10,000's place. So, we will read that it as 10,000. So, 5 digit till 5 digits reading in both the systems are same. Correct? Now, take a 6-digit number. Now, the 6-digit number is, what is this? 1 with 5 zeros, 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's place it in the chart. See, placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Correct? Now, how will you read this number in Indian place value? According to Indian place value, how will you read? See, in lakhs place, it's 6-digit number. Then the highest place is lakhs place according to Indian place value. So at lakhs place, the digit is 1. So you will read it as 1 lakh. Correct? See, the number that is not changing. Okay, we are just arranging differently. That means the places, okay, the group of digits, grouping of digits are different. Correct? So in international system, how you are going to read this? See, 1 in international place value, the place of 1 is at 100,000. So how you are going to read? That is equals to, because the number is not changing, only the arrangement is changing, only the grouping is changing. So 1 lakh, that is equals to, how will you read in international place value system? 100,000, because 1 is at 100,000 place. Okay. Now we know that how to put comma. Leave 1, 2, 3 digits. Okay, from rightmost. Then 1, 2, 3 digits we have. Got it? So after every 3 digits we need to put comma. Now next, take another number, that is 7-digit number. 7-digit number. See, 1 with 6 zeros I have taken here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Then 1 I have. So this is a 7-digit number. So how will you read this? Let me place it in the chart. 7 digits. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Then 1. So 1 is at which place? According to Indian place value chart, that is at 10 lakhs place. Right? 10 lakhs place. Then how will you read this number according to Indian place value chart? 1, 10s are 10, 10 lakh. Okay, right? There is no confusion in this. That is equals to, according to Indian international system, how will you read this? 1 is at which place? According to international place value chart, that is at millions place. So 1 is at millions place. So how will you read this? 1 million. Very simple. But how to write it in figure? So I have written 1 followed by 6 zeros. Okay. Now I will leave from the rightmost 1, 2, 3 digits I will leave. Then I will put 1 comma to separate the period, because every period here having 3 places. It's a group of 3 places. So next I will leave 3 places for thousands period. Then I will put comma. So this is in figure. So in word, how will you write, or how you are going to read this number? See, 1 is at millions place. So 1 million. Correct? In international system. I hope you are getting this. Next one is 8-digit number. So 1 followed by 7 zeros I have taken here. So how you are going to place 1 followed by 7 zeros? I have placed it here. Correct? Now see, 1 is at which place? According to Indian place value chart, 1 is at crore place. So have you are going to read this number 1 crore, right? That is equals to, in international place value system, so 1 is at which place? 10 millions place. Then how will you read this number? 1 tens are 10. So 10 millions. Very simple. 1 is a 10 millions place. So I will read it as 10 millions. So how you are going to write? 1 followed by 7 zeros. So from the rightmost 1, 2, 3 places I will leave. Then I will put comma. Then I will leave 3 places again for thousands period. Then I will put comma. So how I am going to read? 10 million. Correct. Now I will take 9-digit numbers. Correct. So 1 followed by 8 zeros. Here I have taken this number. So how you are going to write? 1 followed by how many zeros? 8 zeros, right? 1 followed by 8 zeros. Now 1 is at which place? According to Indian place value chart, that is at 10 crores place, right? How will you read this number? 1 is below 10 crore, so its place value is 1 tens are 10 crores, okay? Or 1 is below 10 crore, so I will read like 10 crores. So I will write 10 crore according to Indian place value system. That is equals to, in international place value system, 1 followed by 8 zeros. So I from the rightmost, I will leave 3 digits for ones period. Then I will put comma. Then I will leave 3 digits for thousands period. Then I will put comma. Then I have 3 digits. Okay. Now how will you read this number? See, 1 is at which place? According to international place value system. Look at the international place value system. That is 100 million. Okay. 1 into multiply 100 million, that is equals to 1 multiply 100 millions equals to 100 millions, right? So I will write it as 100 million. Correct? Hope you understood this. Watch the video again and again. If this is not clear to you, do practice. Thank you.